Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Watch X5i and today I'm going to show you how to change the watch face on this device. So let's get started. If you want to change the watch face on your watch, first wake up the screen by pressing the Chrome button. Then you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on this current watch face to open the watch face menu. And once the menu opens, you can scroll through it by swiping left and right on the screen, find the watch face you would like to use, and then you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize watch faces, at least some of them. If you open the watch face menu, some of the watch faces will have this settings icon under them, and you can tap on it. Oh, my bad. Let's try again. Come on. Sometimes it's a bit wonky, as you can see. Okay, tap on the settings icon. And now we can change, for example, the widget or complication. And once you're done, you can press the Crown button to apply the changes. And you can, or rather, different watch faces have different customizations available for them. For example, this one also allows you to change the style of the watch face. And that's about it, I guess. And then you can press the Crown button to apply it. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the HONOR Health application to change the watch face. So if we grab the phone, bring it here, zoom out the camera a bit, you can open the HONOR Health application on the phone that is paired with your watch. And in the app, you can tap on device. Then you can select your HONOR Watch X5i. And here you can go to recommended watch faces. Tap on more. And right here, when you tap on more, it should open the basically store. And right here, you can download additional watch faces. So you can find something you like, tap on it, and then tap on download. It will download and apply on your watch, basically. And if you just want to change a watch face from the ones that are already installed on your watch, I'm going to show it that to you as well. So as you can see, it's applied. And if you want to see the list of watch faces already installed, you tap on me right here. And we have the list of watch faces installed. And you can select the watch face you like, and then tap on apply, and it should be applied on your watch. Okay, and basically that's how you change the watch face on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.